Hey, it's John from the Unrealized Ideas Podcast, and you guys decided that Sarah's going to cut my hair. So, here's the before, all my wonderful hair, and we'll see how she does. Help. Here we are in the update. What do you guys think?
Great.
She's so afraid. Like, I can feel her trembling. Update. Here we are. Sarah's very afraid of cutting these hairs, which I'm happy about. Update. Pretty good, Sarah Bear. Pretty good. Now I just need to get this side so I don't look like, Update. The scissors that came with the haircutting kit are really bad, so I just took control and shaved down the middle of my head with that big guy. So now Sarah is finishing the top, and you know what? I don't think I'm paying for haircuts anymore. This is looking just fine to me. Except over here, it's I kind of look a little like a doink. Not bad, Pookie. Not bad at all. I mean, from the front, it looks pretty good, but we're not going to tell her that. Let me go up top there. It's a little bit...
I think I did great.
Update. Sarah did it. Thanks for the acute angles on my sideburns.
They look good.
What the hell? Look at them. They look good.
They look great.
Yeah, they're pointing at 10 o'clock.
You look good.
Okay, we'll address this later.
It looks good.
The rest of the haircut is fire, but you shouldn't have.
You can go shave.
Haircuts with Sarah. Another idea that should have remained unrealized. Tune in next time.